A few months ago, working for a delivery app was just a side gig for Diogenes de Souza, a way to earn some extra cash. But then came the pandemic and the economic consequences. Diogenes lost his primary job and delivery work became his sole source of income. However, despite the growing demand for courier services, his earnings didn't go up along with his workload.
Antigamente trabalhava menos.
Before, we worked less and managed to make more money. Now fees are going down. Now I have to work 12 hours to make the same kind of money I used to make in 8. We need to get together to fight this because the apps are taking advantage of the fact that there are many people in need of work to pay less. There is always somebody willing to work for less.
Some customers even say they feel guilty using their services.
Couriers are poorly paid and have no labor rights, like the right to paid holidays. So sometimes we feel we should avoid patronizing the delivery apps. But at the same time, we know that the couriers also need to work.
On Wednesday, the day after CGTN followed Diogenes de Souza around town, many of Brazil's couriers went on strike and organized rallies to demand better pay and working conditions. On social networks, they asked customers to show their solidarity by not using delivery apps.
These apps don't care about us. We depend on this to make our living. Let's go couriers!
Brazil's largest delivery apps declined requests for interviews. One of the biggest players, Rappi, issued a statement saying that it is following all laws and offering support to couriers. It maintains that workers are fairly paid and that customers' tips have increased. The couriers want higher fees for each job and company measures to protect them from COVID-19 and healthcare and financial support if they do get infected. They also want a halt to what they see as arbitrary decisions regarding schedules and working conditions. But the underlying issues run deeper for gig economy workers. They are independent contractors and as such have no employee protections under Brazilian labor laws.
Trabalhadores em aplicativos, eles são considerados pelas empresas de aplicativo como trabalhadores autônomos, como empreendedores do próprio negócio. E o Ministério Público sustenta a tese de que esses trabalhadores são, de fato, empregados, né? Que eles desenvolvem o empreendimento alheio da própria empresa, né? Da empresa de aplicativo e não o seu negócio próprio. E, portanto, esses trabalhadores têm que ter todos os direitos da legislação do trabalho.
As often happens with decentralized protests such as this one, it's unclear how many workers took part and the action's actual impact on delivery services. But the couriers here say they are willing to make a lot of noise until someone listens and makes good on their demands. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Paulo.